science belief or idea they attribute to coincidences, what coincidences really is, then every human on the planet is supposed to experience coincidences in a sort of from a binary perspective. I mean binary in the literal sense. A person is only supposed to experience a synchronicity once, when a person is only supposed to experience a zero synchronicity once and zero. But I can guarantee you with absolute certainty, every user in this live chat could give multiple examples, multiple coincidental scenarios and events that occurred in their life. And these coincidental events have a little more, it has like there's a slivering kind of meatiness to it. There's something potent about the memories. It stands out in our psyche indefinitely. Right? So it's not supposed to. So if we all can agree that we all have experienced multiple coincidences in our life, then that sort of, by definition, in and of itself, from an imperialistic standpoint, debunk what coincidences is, because the fact that each one of you user could give me multiple examples of multiple coincidental stories that occurred in your life